Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here as a title suggests. I'm gonna share my version of no makeup look with you guys. The light outside is slightly like off and on and off. It's kind of becoming cloudy, so the light's gonna fluctuate in between. Please don't mind it. This is my version of no makeup look. I am gonna sit and completely elaborate and give a step-by-step tutorial as in like how I do this. I hope the camera is focusing. I hope the alignment is right. So now let's quickly get into the video. Before that, I would like to tell you that no makeup look doesn't mean that there is no makeup. No makeup look generally involves all the steps that like possibly a makeup can have, but it's just that it's so minimal yet nude, not that blingy right on there, but it's there, it's subtle, and it's very minimal. That's what nude makeup look means. And also I would like to put up a disclaimer that this is not a kind of makeup that I wear every day. I don't wear makeup on everyday basis. I don't absolutely wear any base makeup for my work or wherever I go. But if I'm out and about and I don't have time, I have like very little time, and I have to look presentable, and I want to look little presentable, put together, but yet very subtle. This is the kind of makeup that I always would wear, and hardly take about 10 to 15 minutes max tops to wear this makeup. So always wash your hands before you do skincare or makeup. That's one step that I have been following very religiously. Focus is mainly on your skin so that your subtle eyes and subtle lips are gonna get like neutralized. Since it's around 4 p.m. in the evening, I've also applied sunscreen because I'm sitting right across the window. Now let's quickly get into the makeup. The first step that I would like to do is apply a illuminating base. This is from a Swiss Beauty. This is the Real Makeup Base highlighting primer. It's in the shade 01 Natural Tint. So you guys know I really like this Swiss Beauty primer. Nothing beats this primer for me so far. Like I've used so many makeup base, but ये इसको टक्कर देने वाला अभी तक मैंने कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया. I really like this makeup base. इतना ज्यादा flawless लगता है makeup इसके ऊपर. The foundation, the concealer, whatever base makeup that you do, it sits so beautifully on your skin. I'm gonna let it sit, this makeup primer base, a little bit so that my skin absorbs this nicely. I'm just gonna give you a closer look of my skin, how like dewy my skin looks. Love this primer so much. Especially if you are a combination or oily skin, it's always better to use a pore minimizer or a silicone based primer in the center of your face, just in the T zones. Your oil or the sweat is at base, and for that I am using Mars Pore Cure primer. This is the silicone based primer. Let me show you how the camera focuses. So this is a silicone based primer, nothing like much to say about it. I'm just gonna apply it on my center of the face and in my forehead, just to like minimize the appearance of the pore. I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes for this entire thing to settle in before we go into base makeup. I'm ditching the foundation and I am using a BB cream. This is also from Mars. This is Mars BB cream, and this is Skin Perfection color correcting BB cream, and I am in the shade 5 Rich. This is not a new product. This is a very old product, and it's been lying in my vanity for such a long time. I've not been using it quite a lot because of the shade. This is slightly darker in color, but any which ways we're gonna make it work. Yeah, I'm gonna dot this all over my face. As you can see, this is slightly darker for my skin tone, but it's okay. It's gonna work like a color corrector, and you can always like use a highlighting concealer just to neutralize it. So with the help of my Mars foundation kabuki brush, I'm gonna blend everything out. This BB cream is very good for a budget. Someone amongst you asked me for a daily wear foundation or a skin tint, I don't remember, for daily wear under 300. I think this one is an amazing BB cream. Matlab, this is under budget. This is under 300 rupees plus. It does come in a decent good number of shades. If you can get a shade match in this range, I think it's a blessing in disguise, because under 300 to get a skin tint or a foundation for us dusky people, it's not that easy. Most of the Indian brands just don't do much of, inclusive shades. This foundation is also very good for dry skin people because it gives a dewy finish. Do you guys see how beautiful my skin is looking? It's very dewy and glowy. Makeup game is gonna look good if your base is very nice, if your base is really prepped. Like I do have few acne marks. I think I'm gonna just slightly build this up. So I'm gonna take a little bit more, and oh my god, I don't know why I've stopped using this BB cream. This BB cream is just so good. Any which ways, I'm gonna dot it right wherever I have like the acne marks, and we'll try building this out. Um, it does have a very medium coverage, like light to medium buildable coverage. Just lying in the back of my vanity, and I almost forgot to use it. Yesterday I was cleaning my vanity and my trash. I decluttered a lot of things, and that's when I found this. And I've also found it, iska expiry abhi aur bahut baki hai, so I thought, okay, let me use this. I'm also kind of trying to take it under my eyes and over my eyelids so that I don't need a separate color corrector or a darker shade of concealer. As you can see, this shade matches to me so perfectly now. I think I am tanned a bit, that's why this matches to me very nicely. Someone, trust me when I say, someone of dry skin family just gonna love this foundation. I'm gonna give you a closer look. You guys can see there is no ashiness, grayness, cakey. I've built it twice, but still you cannot see any built up cakiness whatsoever. My skin still looks like a skin. Now moving on, let's go to a concealer. So I'm ditching my darker color concealer, and I'm directly going onto a concealer which is of my shade. And this is the Swiss Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 01. Just gonna go in my usual places. I'm gonna apply it under my eye. I also started applying in my inner corner because that's where you have so much of darkness going on if you haven't slept. Applying it anywhere, just in the middle of my face to like slightly highlight it. That's about it. And also a little bit over there. I'm gonna take this small concealer brush. This is the Cuffs and Lashes F019, and this is a very small concealer brush. This works very nice for your under eyes or for your nose contouring, etc. इतने दिनों के बाद makeup look कर रही हूँ. I'm little nervous, you guys. I mean, I'm like trying to arrange my setup and etc. I hope the light is open. And I'm also very nervous because I'm not a pro at like doing makeup and talking and shooting, etc. So I have to constantly check whether my mic is working. I have to constantly check whether my video is recording, because makeup karte karte baat karna is really a task, guys. And I really like my base so far. So let's move on to cream blush, and today I'm not gonna apply any powder blush. It's just gonna be cream blush. And these days, in like last couple of weeks, loving to use this as my blush. This is the Gush Beauty Play Paint liquid lipstick. I think I'm in the shade Masterpiece, and this is a little peppy and pink color. I have been really enjoying to use this as my liquid blush because dusky skin पे ये color बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. And होना हो liquid lipsticks are long lasting, so as a blush also it is quite long lasting. You guys can see इतना beautifully ये blend होता है. Let me apply this shade, this side, and also show you. You can also build it up, and like ye patchy nahi lagta hai. This liquid lipsticks are really good formulated, so as a blush also it works really good. Real time I've shown you guys, it just blended up so nicely. I'm just going to slightly build it up, thoda sa idhar and thoda sa idhar as well. Yeah, let's, because blushes are the only thing that fades away first. And as I'm not gonna set my blush with a liquid, with a powder blush, so I'm just applying little bit more, because once I'm done with my makeup, everything is gonna look put together and cohesive. Trust me with the process. Now let's move on to my contour, and again I'm gonna use a cream contour. And for that I am taking this Blue Heaven Stack and Slay Multitask Trio. This is also a very good product below. So this comes with the trio. This has a beautiful highlighter, a blush, and a contour. Sorry, all these three shades works beautifully for our Indian skin tone and especially dusky skin tone. I'm gonna use my finger only, and ain't nobody got time when you are in a hurry. So since this is a no makeup look, you're bound to be in a hurry and time constraint. So that's the reason I'm like using my fingers. You can go ahead and use a brush as well. Concealer brush to blend out my contour. And do you guys see this also blends very nicely? Let's set this mess with the help of a loose setting powder. Site Cosmetics का one. And ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में आता है. पैकेजिंग थोड़ा मेसी है because they don't have a sifter or any protective layer. It does have a strong yellow tint. इस हमेशा हाथ में डस्ट करती हूँ because I don't want any cakey and I never bake. You look upward and try to remove your creases with the help of your finger, ring finger preferably. And while looking up, you set your under eye with a very light layer. I don't bake. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just using a random puff. You can use a powder puff, you can use a brush or whatever. I'm not like going to this part of my periphery or this part of my area because I do want that glowy look going on. So far I'm happy with my base, and now let's move on to my eyes. Eyes also, it's always better to keep it very simple, and for my eyes today I'm gonna use this Lemel Professional Makeup To Go eyeshadow palette, and I think I'm in the shade 0404 burgundy. ये बीच में थोड़ा वायरल हुआ, got influenced and got this. I ordered this palette twice. Both the times it came broken. So second time मैंने return नहीं किया, I just kept it. These are good eyeshadow palette. It's very handy to travel etc. But अगर ये ऐसा break होगा तो how far this would be good? How far this would be good? I'm not sure for traveling. Anyways, these two shimmer shades we're not gonna touch. We're gonna play with these matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this blending brush. This is the PAC 312 brush. So I'm gonna take this kind of a shade. These kind of a peach shade kind of works very nice for me. I'm gonna dust my excess and just put it all over my eyelids. Like these sort of peach shade looks very good on me. I rather prefer these kind of peach shade over a brown shade. मुझे ये शेड्स काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं मुझ पे. It's my personal preference. You can go with a brown or a bronzer as well. Always make sure to dust off your eyeshadow because you don't, especially once you have done with your base, you don't want to mess your base. So I'm just putting it all over my eyelids. So once I get the desired pigmentation, I am going to go with this brown shade right here. It's slightly cool tone, and I'm gonna again take a lot and just dust off the excess. And now I'm gonna use this shade as my crease shade and sort of blend that peach shade as well. So you guys see there is a little bit of transition going on, but ये इतना loud नहीं लग रहा है. So uh, it also masks like your natural contour. This is what I like to do for my no makeup days. So this kind of gives an illusion of, is she wearing a makeup, is she not wearing a makeup, there is some makeup but there is at the same time no makeup. Aisa kind of confusion it try to create for the viewers. You might take it on your lower lid as well. It's a good thing. So I'm going to do the same under my lower lids as well. If you have never tried this, I think you can definitely give this a shot. These are really good. I mean, do you guys see how nicely it's getting blended? Possible that now it's kind of looking a little harsh, especially in front of camera. So I'm gonna take a clean blending brush. This is from Mars, and I'm just gonna go and blend the entire eyeshadow. This way the entire eyeshadow looks blended and there are no any harsh edges. Since we are not putting any shimmer shadow or bang on high eye look, we're gonna rely entirely on mascara. You can go ahead and use a kajal or eyeliner. Me personally, I don't like like eyeliner or kajal, especially for no makeup look. I generally don't use kajal. If at all I have to use kajal, that's only when I'm doing a wedding guest look or something really bold wherein the kajal is really necessary. That's when I use it. Otherwise, I normally don't use kajal. And eyeliner also, I feel it kind of looks very harsh, especially if I'm going for a no makeup look. So I ditch both of them. One tip that you can do is, if you want to like apply a liner and you're a little intimidated by using a black eyeliner, what you can do is you can take an angle brush, and the brown shade that I showed you, any brown shade, you can take that and just make a wing liner with the help of eyeshadow. That also looks very good, defines her eyes. But me personally, I don't do anything for my eyes. This is all I do. The tip that I would like to do is, because you're focusing entirely on mascara, I like to curl my lashes. Usually I don't curl my lashes. I've also said this in a couple of my videos, I don't curl my lashes. But just yesterday I was cleaning my vanity, I told you I found this color and also washed it, so I have this like little itch to use this. That's the reason I'm using it. Otherwise, I'm like pretty okay with mascara. I never travel with eyelash curler as well. So this is just one additional tip that I'm doing. And also I'm like starting to talk little faster because abhi bahut zyada cloudy ho gaya. I don't know footage kaisa aa raha hai. So I'm like little speeding this process. You guys have been supporting me so nicely. I'm like really grateful. I think I'm gonna use the Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara. This is a easy wash variant. As you guys know, I never use waterproof mascara on a daily basis, or no makeup look ke to bilkul bhi nahi. So I'm just gonna apply this mascara. I'm gonna apply very generous amount of coat. Another tip that I would like to say is, on screen जब भी हम mascara application देखते हैं, let me like zoom you guys a little bit. I want to really show how mascaras are applied. So I hope you guys can see. On screen, whenever you see, you just see कि लोग ऐसा something like this they are doing it, and that never works. You're ideally supposed to keep this wand literally really at the base of your eyelashes. Press it a bit, I'll wait for 1 second, and then wiggle your lashes really up. That way your eyelashes are really coated, and that's how I like to apply mascara. One of you guys also commented as in like, please tell us what kind of lashes are you wearing. Guys, I never wear fake lashes. I've never worn fake lashes in my entire life, not even for any occasion or like grand party or whatever. Because I did want to like experiment with lashes. I did buy pack lashes back in the days, like 5 6 years back, and I never was able to wear it. I never could pull it off. And yeah, so I don't own even a single lashes. This is how I apply mascara, guys. You have to wiggle through. You have to take a little bit of patience in applying a mascara. You just can't do this and like blame the mascara. Almost all the mascaras like that I have tried works very beautifully for me. I feel it's, if the mascara is decent, it's about how you're wearing it. You guys do lashes also coat from above and take it out, and especially on this corner and this corner I always like to pull it little outwards. So then look up and little pull it outwards. That's way your eye kind of has a elongated look. Or beach ke or jo inner corner ke lashes se kind of pull this in, so that's that way you get a fanned out effect. So let me show you a closer look of my mascara. So I just the mascara, that to a Hyper Curl mascara, which I don't even like. So I'm gonna fill my eyebrows using this Swiss Beauty Shape My Brow pomade and powder. And this is in the shade 01. इसकी हालत बहुत खराब हो चुकी है, so I don't think you guys can know. But this is the powder. It comes with a small brush and a spoolie, which kind of I lost. And these are the four shades that you get. There are like three shades: one brown, one black, and one gray. And this is a brow gel, which I messed it up very badly, so I don't use it anymore. And this is a brown shade that I use very too much, and I'm mixing up with this black one. I'm gonna use the Faces Canada brown brow brush and fill my eyebrows, because no makeup look may brows play a very important role, you guys. So do not skip your brow. If you have a very bushy, naturally nice brows, you can go directly with the brow gel, and that's gonna look very put together. But if you have a sparse brows or a brow like me, then I would suggest go and fill your eyebrows, because without eyebrows the look is going to look very very incomplete. So I'm using the spoolie end to just spread out my brow product completely, that way it looks more natural as well. Now I'm gonna like set my brow with the help of the Blue Heaven brow gel, and I'm gonna push my brows really up, that way you get a lifted look as well. Going to use the Insight Cosmetics highlighter. This is in the shade 03 Angelic Beauty. Again, I've used this highlighter so many times in front of camera. I don't use powder highlighters in my no makeup day, and cream highlighter looks very very natural. So I'm just gonna take. You can go bang on. I mean, it's up to you. If you wanna glow like a goddesses, go ahead and apply a lot. I love highlighters, so I'm going a little overboard. I'm gonna use the same highlighter in my ring finger, in my pinky finger, and put in my inner corners, because I don't want to use a powder highlighter. Bilkul bhi. That's that. I think I'm like super happy with my makeup. I just want to set my makeup little bit because I've applied so much of glowy products. थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा है oily लग रहा है. So I'm gonna take the same loose powder and set my like base again at the center of my face, just a little bit. I think this much is, and now I'm gonna set my entire face with the help of Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist. This is a very nice setting mist. You guys can see I've used this much. अच्छा decent है, matte नहीं है. It has a little bit of floral scent to it, but nothing that I mind. I like it. The spritz is also really good and fine. And I'm gonna fan my setting mist a little bit. So now for the final step, we're gonna move on to lips. And for my lip liner, I am going to use NARS Edge of Desire lip liner. This is in the shade Exotic Brown. So again, for a no makeup look, I always like to use only a nude lipstick, preferably a brown lipstick. So I'm gonna align my bit. I like overlining as well. And I'm gonna slightly fill my lips just on the outer corners. I love this shade, guys. This shade is gonna suit every skin tone. You can totally use these lip pencils as a lipstick. They're gonna just look so beautiful. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty non-transfer matte lipstick, shade Cute Nude, and I think the shade number is 09. So this is the bullet lipstick from Swiss Beauty, and I'm just gonna fill my lips with this lipstick. My lipstick is done. I'm gonna move on to a gloss, because no makeup look में gloss बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Gloss, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lifter gloss, and this is in the shade 003 Moon. And these glosses are pretty long lasting as well, guys. So that's about it. Let me do my hair and just show you the final look in a bit. This entire makeup look, I don't even take 10 minutes. I know exactly what products to reach and what to do next. So I just do very quickly. Like the way my makeup turned out, it's super glowy. My skin is looking like skin. You can still see my acne marks, etc. I'm totally fine with it. That's the purpose of this no makeup look. And this is my version of no makeup look. I hope you guys like this mini makeup tutorial. If you guys found this helpful, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down in the comment section below as in how you guys do your no makeup look. Like what are the steps that you like to add or like to subtract from these this tutorial that I've shown to you guys. And also I would like to put a disclaimer that I don't use BB cream or skin tint. I normally don't even travel with all those base products. I am a concealer person. I just use concealer all over my face. But sit on mini tutorial, I thought of like giving you guys a wide variety of options. The one thing that I wouldn't skip is the bronzer. I really like that chisel look because I do have a chubby face, I believe. So I never skip bronzer, be it no makeup look, or be it whatever makeup look, I don't skip bronzer. But that is something, if you don't want, or if you have already a chisel cheekbone of an elongated elongated face, you guys totally can chuck the bronzer. You guys can totally chuck the eyebrow product also. If you guys have a bushy eyebrow, you can just use a brow mascara or the eye mascara that you just can run it over the eyebrows and you're good to go as well. And you can use the bronzer. You don't need an eyeshadow palette. You can just use that bronzer shade all over your lips. That can also work very nicely. All in all, this majorly require very little number of products, and you can just absolutely do this entire makeup in 10 minutes. I almost do this kind of makeup whenever I'm traveling out and about, or whenever I'm in a hotel or what. This is the kind of this is the kind of makeup tutorial I always do. I think I've been rambling a lot, so I hope you guys like this video. And if this is the first time you guys are watching me, then hi, I'm Rasika. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. Without wasting your time, without boring you guys a lot, I would like to take off. So tada, bye bye, I'll see you in the next video.